Hello guys, welcome back from break. This video we're going to talk about ASP.NET Core Blazor DataGrid paging. So in a simple short, we're going to talk about paging in Blazor project. We have only this data 1, 2, 3 up to 6. You want to apply paging. Let's say this we have in the database, we have only this data here, but let's assume we have a lot and we want to apply paging. How are you going to do it? That is what we're going to talk about in this video. So let's get going. In our project that you're doing, that is what you're going to continue on. Our Syncfusion grid component, that is where we're going to apply all this. Now, data grid or paging is part of the Syncfusion package. As soon as you install that, you configure it, you're good to go. Now, what you have to do here is now have to apply this attribute to this data grid. So let's say the first thing to do here is, first of all, let's allow paging. So let's copy this. Let's set allow paging to true. So let's go in there, and now here let's set to true. That is very simple. Let's save this. Now let's refresh our page and see. So our page is now getting ready. Our data is being loaded. The reason why it is loading like this because we added a delay. So what you can see, we have paging. Currently we have only one here. One out of what? One of 1 pages. So we have 6 items here. Let's assume if you want to display only 2 items per page. So you want to have 3 pages here. How are you going to do it? Currently we have only one. It contains everything here. Let's go there and continue on with our note. So here, if you want to change the number of rows display on each page, let's set this. So you have to set grid page settings. So let's copy this and let's set it as a grid page settings. So that's supposed to come in between here. Okay. So we are setting up to, let's set up to 2. So in every page, you want to see only 2 rows. Let's save this. And now let's go in there. Let's take off this. So let's comment this because we don't want to delay. Let's save, and now let's refresh our page. So our page is now loading. Let's wait and see. So you can see we have only 2 items here, and we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 pages here. So as you can see from here, now we have this dot to just move to the next one, the last one. Okay, the last one. I can go to the next and the next to the last one. So you see we have 3 pages out of what? 3. That's the 6 items in all. But let's say how many rows or how many pages do you want to display here? Do you want to display only 2? So that you're gonna have a dot dot dot. As soon as you click on it, you're gonna have the next one. Let's see. So here, change the number of pages. Change the number of pages or numbers to be displayed while the rest are indicated by what? Dot dot dot. So if you want to change the number of pages or page numbers that are supposed to be displayed, then we're going to use the page count attribute. So let's copy page count attribute and let's set it to 3. So in here we have page count attribute. We set it to what? To 3. So here let's make it as 2. So we want to display only 2, 2, 2. Let's save this. Let's save this. Let's refresh our page. So now our page is loading. So we wait to see. So you can see that you have only 2 here. We have this dot. As soon as you click on this, a new set of 2 also pops up. So let's see. The new one also pop up, but currently it is only 3. So as you can see from here, now you click on this, you have these 2. Okay. Now what is the last thing to talk about? So making the page size flexible. Okay. So you can see that here we have the page only 2 selected. But if I want to select more than that, maybe I want to select 10, 12, I want to view 12, 15. How am I going to do it? Let's see. So the next thing here is to make it flexible. So let's set the page sizes to true. Say page sizes. Let's set this to true. Okay, so this is true. Now let's save this. Let's refresh our page. So you can see that we have an item per page. So you can see from here we have all. Now we're displaying all. Click on this. And now let's see if you're going to have okay, so since you're having only these 2, let's say. So let's take off the page size here, and now you can set the page sizes here to true. So you can see we have page size and we have page sizes. Okay, so we have current page, we have page size, and now we have page sizes. So take note. Okay, so you can set that to true, and you can set this to the number of pages that you actually want to see. So when you save that and refresh it, so let's take this off. So when you save this and when you reload it, you're going to see this. You can see you can now select from this list. You have the various lists here and these buttons as well, but it is displaying all the 6. If you want to just customize it, you can just include the page size and now take it off to the number of size that you actually want. So you can see this is very beautiful and interesting as well, and very simple to also integrate it and utilize it as well in your project. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to catch you up in the next video.